Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I wasn't going to do a tutorial, but actually I wasn't gonna film a video. I'm super exhausted. I've been working a lot, and then with editing and the two babies, and my husband got sick with that horrible flu. So it's been a little hard for me, but I am going to do a makeup video, and I'm actually going to be testing all brand new drugstore products. I have a brand new foundation, concealer that I want to use. Everything is pretty much brand new. The only thing that isn't is my mascara, because I haven't bought a new mascara, so I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And then my primer isn't a new primer, it's the NYX Angel Veil primer. So I'm going to be using that. So we're going to start out by doing my brows, but I'm actually going to do my brows off camera. So, okay, so I've got my eyebrows back on. And I've primed my skin already, because you guys already know I already used the Angel Veil. NYX Angel Veil. So the first new product that I'm actually going to try out is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Foundation. And it's supposed to be long wearing illuminating foundation. So we'll see. And this is in the color Natural. Foundation is okay. Alright, moving on. We are going to try the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. I'm going to put that on. I'm actually going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm going to set under my eyes. Actually, I'm going to set my whole face because my face is oily. Now we're going to do light eye makeup. I am actually going to be using the Essence Winter Dreamin eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start out with this color right here. It's my transition color. So, and now I'm actually going to go in with this color right here. And we're also going to use that as a transition color right in our crease. Okay, so then now I'm going to go in to this shimmery color. Let's go with the blue. We're going to do, like, it's like a grayish blue. It has a little shimmer to it. Let's go with my large shader brush, Wet n Wild. And we're going to put this all over the lid. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to spray some Fix Plus on my brush to intensify the color. Okay, with the Fix Plus you get a little bit better color payoff, I want to say. So what we're going to do is we are actually going to go in with this small brush that came with it, and I'm going to go into this shimmery gold color right here, and I'm going to top that right in the middle, like almost like a halo eye. Okay, I like the way that that looks. Now I'm going to go back in with this color and just blend everything out, make sure everything blends seamlessly. Then I'm gonna go in with the darkest color in there, and it's like a dark brownish black with some gold flecks in it. I'm gonna use that to define my outer V just a little bit. I don't have a new under eye kohl pencil, so what we're going to do is we're going to go in with the Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner, and I'm just going to tight line with that. And then I'm going to go in with my Essence Super Precise Eyeliner. This is a new eyeliner, so we're going to go with that. I'm going to do a little light wing. I love this eyeliner. It's beautiful. It's really black. It's smooth. I am digging it. Okay, wings are done. Now we're gonna go in with our bronzer, and this is a new e.l.f. bronzer, the quad. I'm gonna try that really quickly. We are actually gonna try out the 2-in-1 Essence Winter Dreamin highlighter and blush powder. So first we're gonna do the blush. Oh, I like that color. It's really nice. It's like a warm color. It's pretty. Then we're gonna go on with the highlight. It's a very subtle highlight on top of my cheekbones. And down here, my cupid's bow. And then now we are going to finish up the bottom of our lash line. I'm gonna go in with that color that we used in the crease, that one, and I'm going to take my ColourPop pencil brush and I'm just going to put that on the bottom. And now I'm gonna go in with that dark color right here. I'm gonna put that on my outside corners. Then I'm gonna go in with that little gold color here, my inner corner highlight. And then I'm going to go in with, for my brow bone, we're going to use this light color here. And we're gonna highlight the brow bone. For mascara, I'm going with the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Like I told you, I don't have a new mascara, so we're gonna just use this one. I love this one though. A new eyeliner is by Essence as well, as part of that Winter Dreamin. And this is what I'm going to use on my lower lash line, and this one is called Snowflake Kisses. I'm just gonna put it on my lower lash line. It's like a really bright nude. And then some mascara on the very bottom. We're gonna go in with my lip color, and we're going to go in with NYX lip liner in the color Nude. NYX matte lipstick in the color Honeymoon. It's a pretty nude kind of color. I think I want to go on top of it with a gloss. I have the ColourPop and Hello Kitty collaboration Ultra Glossy Lip from and I'm just gonna put that right in the middle. Now we're gonna set our face, and I'm going to use my Make It Last setting spray by Milani. Okay, so here's the final look. I'm going to do a wear test and see exactly how long everything works, if the foundation works out, everything. So far, I'm not too fond of the brow products, but maybe I just need to play with it a little longer, but we'll see. So, there you go. Hey everybody, so I'm doing my one and only check-in. I just got out of work, and I've had this makeup on since about 4:45 that I started to do all this makeup. And it is currently midnight, so I've had it on for almost 7 hours. And I don't know if you can see, but it looks pretty good. I mean, I'm getting a little tiny bit right now, but it's been 7 hours. It looks pretty good. I don't like the eyebrow kit, so that's not gonna work for me. But as far as everything else, I'm pretty happy. So I will get back to you a little later, and I will give you my individual thoughts on every single item. Okay. Hi everybody. So it is currently 1:15 in the morning. I'm getting ready to take off all this makeup, and I wanted to give you my last thoughts on everything. Yeah, so this video is running already too long, so I'm not going to individually review each item. Comment down below what drugstore products you use, and what other drugstore products you'd like me to use, anything new that you think that I might like. Just comment down below. And if you like this, wear testing out drugstore, maybe we could test out something else, maybe a one brand makeup tutorial or testing, just let me know down below. And like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.